In this video, I will tell you about creating views in model space of AutoCAD drawing. So right now we have this drawing, and in order to see certain part of the drawing, you can simply zoom into that area and you can see that part in detail. But when you zoom out again, that view is permanently lost and there is no way by which you can directly move into that particular view. But using named views, you can save those views, and whenever required you can recall those views. So in order to save these views, you need to access the view manager, and for that you need to use the view command or its shortcut V. So type V on the command line and press enter. So this will open this view manager, and here you can create your views. So right now we are in the model space, so the model views will be created, and for that I'll click on this new. Now give this view a name. So I'll name it as room 1, and now here in the boundary panel, click on this box. Now specify the area which you want to include in your view. So I'll select this area and I'll click somewhere over here, and then I'll click somewhere over here. So that will be the area which will be shown in our view. And now press enter and simply click on OK. And here we have the preview of view and all the properties related to the view, and the view name can be seen here in this model views tree. Now similarly, you can add more views to this drawing. So I'll go to new again and now give this a name. So I'll name it as kitchen. Again, make sure current display is selected. Click on the box and select the area. So this is the kitchen area. I'll select it completely just like this. Now press enter and we have the kitchen. Click on OK, and let's add one more view. So I'll click on new, and this time I'll select hall. And now here we have the current display. Let's click on this define window, and this is the hall area. And now press enter again and click on OK. So now we have these three views included in our drawing. So let's click on apply and click on OK. So the views are added in the drawing, and in order to access those views, you can go to this option on the top left. So here we have this view controls, and when you click on this, you'll see a long list of pre-made views, and these views are especially helpful in the 3D workspace. Since we are in the 2D workspace, we'll look into the views which we have created, and those can be seen here in this custom model views. So here, when you click on this, you'll see all the views which we have made. So we have the hall, kitchen and room 1. Let's select this kitchen, and the drawing will zoom into that area. Similarly, you can click on this view, change it to something else. For example, room 1, it will shift there. And in this way, you can add as many views as you want in your drawing. You can not only add these views, but you can also modify the existing views. For example, let's say that we want to modify this hall view. So I'll go to the hall view first, and now currently you can see that this part of the hall is selected. Let's say that we want to include this hatched area also in the hall. So for that, I'll select the view command. So I'll type V, press enter. Now select the hall, and now here select edit boundaries. And now once again create a new boundary for this view. So I'll click here and I'll drag it up to this point. Now press enter and click on OK. Now let's zoom out and go to the view. So I'll click on hall, and here we have it. Now the hatched area is also included in our view. So in this way, you can create different views and you can access them whenever required.